Good Tuesday, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. Low pressure is working through the central Gulf, but it's spreading out more and more across the coastal regions, stretching from 977 millibars just southeast of Kodiak, with the front extending across the northern and eastern Gulf Coast and over southeast Alaska, producing rain and some snow at higher elevations, with low pressure also circulating south and west of Haida Gwaii at 993 millibars. A stronger area of low pressure inland also exists just east of the Alcan border, east of Northway, and heavy snow is falling in Northway this hour. A look for areas of clouds across the north slope and areas of blowing snow there. Fog reported north of Point Barrow, and low pressure sitting across the north and western part of the Bering Sea. A much stronger storm is building and across the North Pacific. That will be heading eastward later on tonight, and as such, a storm warning is posted through Wednesday from Kiska to Attu. Expect winds there to pick up after midnight, becoming southeasterly up to 50 knots, with seas coming up to about 18 feet after midnight, and more is on the way as we head into the midweek. In the meantime, a winter weather advisory continues until 8 o'clock tonight for the Haines Highway. Snow will decrease in intensity later this evening. As of early this morning, about 10 inches of snow had fallen near the Haines Custom Building there. An additional 3 to 5 inches expected throughout the remainder of the afternoon and early evening. Some of that is going to be heavy and wet snow and pretty difficult to manage. Also, winter storm warnings in effect until noon tomorrow. That would be Wednesday for Hyder. Another round of 12 inches or so is possible through Wednesday at noon, so another foot of snow possible around the Hyder area. The moderate to heavy snow will continue through this afternoon and into early tomorrow morning, so watch for that. There might be a little bit of a lull before it picks up again later on tonight. Quite a bit going on across the coastal areas of Alaska, but for the interior, it's more about the clouds and the cold weather and the blowing snow across the north slope. There will be some pockets of snow moving through the Fairbanks region as we get into Wednesday night and Thursday. Watch for that to pass through as a wave of low pressure moves from east to west. Low pressure will continue working through the Alaska Peninsula and the central chain. The stronger winds will start to fan out a little bit more and diminish, but northerlies will kick in behind that, ushering in much colder weather coming across the ice and the Bering Strait there, as that region is also looking at colder air. Ice will continue to increase, but as long as the winds are blowing, many areas along the coast will continue to see at least some pockets of open water. With Alaska's statewide weather, this is Meteor